This weather report brought to you by 40 Winks Cairns.
G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. A fresh southeasterly wind change is pushing up the Queensland coast, currently between Rocky and Mackay, and expected to reach Cairns later tomorrow. Conditions ahead of the change remain extremely hot. Behind the change, it's slightly cooler but still warmer than average. Today's highest temperatures once again happened away from the coast. In the absence of the cooling sea breeze, Mareeba was the winner, rising to a high of 37 degrees. On the satellite loop, we're seeing the last of the inland storms now. Basically, they're going further and further inland, so they're so far that no one really sees them anymore. A few little thunderheads here, those cauliflowers you see are up around Mount Isa and further west. Along the coast, it's been dry except for the southeasterly stream showers, which are starting to develop now along the north tropical coast. Not much so far. On today's chart, we've got that cool change in the form of a southeasterly. See the trough there? It crosses the coast just south of Mackay, and behind it there's this surge of much cooler winds coming from the southeast. Still warmer than average, of course. Cooler than average doesn't happen anymore. In the tropics, of course, ahead of that trough, it's still very, very hot. On tomorrow's chart, that southeasterly change pushes all the way up to Townsville, and by afternoon possibly as far north as Cairns, taking a couple degrees off all the temperatures. Inland remaining hot though, especially the downs where it won't cool down at all. And then on the outlook chart, the southeasterly trade wind takes over. This is the last of the cooler days before it starts getting really hot again. And now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters. Southeast to east winds up to 20 knots tomorrow, then reaching 25 knots at times on Thursday, then dropping back below 20 again for Friday. The half moon's only 2 days away, so tomorrow's rise from the morning low to the afternoon high tide shouldn't be too dramatic, and current shouldn't be too strong. The north tropical coast and tablelands, we've got a 60% chance of showers tomorrow, mainly near the coast. Cairns 33 degrees, Atherton 30, Innisfail 31 and Mareeba 33. Looking ahead for Cairns, slightly cooler on Thursday with continuing showers, though not cool by any means, just less hot and getting hotter again through the weekend. For Atherton, the temperature changes are a little bit more dramatic away from the effect of the sea breeze. We're back up to 30 degrees again by next Sunday. Tonight's photo was taken just recently from the Brough Memorial Pool in Cairns, showing a type of cloud we call mammatus, referring to the hanging udders beneath the spreading top of a distant thunderstorm. Thank you, Sam Robertson, for the photo, and thank you all for tuning in. Now it's back to the team.
Thanks, Livio. That's it from us for tonight. Thanks for your company.
And a reminder, if you missed anything, and we have that replay in a moment on 7/2. Otherwise, catch you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.